So the way the schedule works is you have to choose which term you want to show. And this will just keep adding for the semester as we have more things, or for the year as we add more things. So if you click something, basically you get everything you want, and you can click through any of the programs that have a class. If you do just something with a really small number of classes, it still shows all of the departments, because it's showing all the departments that are in any possibility. So if you just show them all, it's pretty responsive, and a lot of things are clickable. So for example, if you click on accounting, right now we're showing accounting and anthropology and everything else. If you click on the ACCT, you'll get just the ACCT. So almost everything is clickable. Here's an example of something that's not useful. So if you click on this 1310, you'll see every single class that's 1310. So that's not super useful. Everything in between these pipe characters are clickable. So this is everything that's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This is everything that's 910 to 1010. Instructors are clickable. And even the enrollment and capacity is clickable. So if you want to see every single class that has 18 students in it, you can click on the 18. If you want to see every single class that has a cap of 35, you can click on the 35. Same with the waitlist count, although that's pretty boring with the zeros. Same with the credits. The area of study is clickable, and that can sometimes have multiples. The Hamline plan is clickable. Let me go back to click showing all, so I can find a Hamline plan. So if you click on the D, you'll see all the D courses. The delivery mode is clickable. So if you wanted to see, well, here's a hybrid. All the hybrids, you can click on the hybrid. The description is a little pop-up that shows the title, the description, and if there's any prerequisites, they're listed here. So that's a separate window you can open, and then you can shut separately.